What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Redmi cell phone not receiving MMS messages. So to fix this issue, first of all check the access point name settings. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on mobile networks. Now tap on your SIM card name and then tap on access point names. Now here tap on MMS option and then check the settings of your MMS access point name, and after checking or correcting the information, tap on this back key, and after that the MMS will start working. But after checking and correcting the MMS access point name settings, if you are still facing issue while receiving the MMS messages, then tap and hold on the messages app and tap on this information icon, and here tap on storage. Now here tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache, and then again tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory of messages app, you will start receiving the MMS messages. But if you still can't receive the MMS messages, then the last solution is open settings. Now scroll down and here tap on more connectivity options. Now here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth option, and then tap on reset settings. Now here enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern to confirm. So when you will enter the correct pin, password or pattern, it will reset the network settings, and after that you will start receiving the MMS messages. So that's how you can fix the Redmi cell phone which is not receiving MMS messages. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.